Made in China. The globally infamous three words that has a stigma as substandard, cheap, or low quality. Or is it? In regards to my profession, dentist by the way, requires quality and reliable equipments. As most of my colleagues would say, you're only as good as your instruments. Meaning, if my equipment breaks during procedures, the treatment itself is probably gonna fail. The equipment we are using in our practice undergoes tremendous pressure, immense stress, inhospitable environment, unimaginable wear and tear. Enter Quilin Woodpecker, a world-renowned brand of dental equipment manufacturers based in China. I have been using their products, specifically DTE piezo machines, for almost 20 years, and I can attest to the quality of their products. Not only that, their prices are a bang for a buck in comparison to competitors. And what's amazing is they keep on innovating new technologies which aids us in our dental practice. My dear friend PJ Eugenio, an agent of ValueRX, invited me on their seminar about endodontics. Sadly, wala nga lang sa venue that time. Ayan ang gusto ko sa company nila eh. They are willing to provide seminars for us para masubukan namin ang mga ingredients nila. Ganyan sila katiwala sa products nila. Gamitin mo, want to sawa, trial by fire ika. Not only that, they would invite experts on the field to discuss to us the newer trends sa practice namin or on how to use the equipments properly. Kumahanap yung pedestrian crossing. Hindi lahat ng oras ay natatandaan ko pa ang mga lessons ko ng dental student ako. Honestly, madami akong nalilimutan na terms or protocols. Kaya I appreciate attending seminars like this. Parang refresher course ika nga. Not only that, I might learn new techniques from my colleagues. In that manner, we improve ourselves, iron sharpens iron.
Bayan ay wala lang tulog. Baka naman, ba't niya naman sasabi dyan?
Medyo napaga ako. Kaya kain muna sa Army Navy. But, nandito na ako sa spot. So, medyo maaga dumating yung bus. Well, kasi umalis ako ng Batangas ng around 4 a.m. So, dumating yung bus dito around 6. So, time check now is 6:44. So, palipas na tayo ng ilang oras. 8 o'clock pa naman ang registration. So, mababa pa oras ako. Makikitain na din ako. Banok. Siguro third time ko ngayon dito. Still banok pa rin. Third floor, Renoir room. Parang nakapunta na ako dati. CR review. May bitit pa. Yes, may bitit. Dapat lahat ng siya may bitit. Para sa Japan. Mahirap yung walang panghugas eh. Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen, you speak?
I am with Mr. Geiger. Pwede na masilip ang mga...
yes, no.
Ano ba yun?
Oh, may screen name.
Ay, sa Sigera. Joke.
Wow, vlogger si Doc.
ValueRX started as a small company headed by Mr. Geiger. They were selling gloves sa hospitals before, but now, hosting seminars and importing great products. Bongga! Dahil dyan, naging suki na nila ako at madalas nila akong mabudol. But kidding aside, I appreciate their gestures. Actually, it's a win-win strategy. I learned and they sell products at the same time.
Yung mga ordinary. Pero maganda pa rin. Yung ceramic ko lang. Ay,
Joke lang.
ceramic.
Bago to, ang ganda, black. 1 second na ngayon mag-cure niya. 1 second. Ano to? Wow. Oh, bago to. Magkano ba itong set na to? 4.5 po. 4.5 siya. Mananakal muna akong pasyente. Oo nga, dito kami last time. Naalala ko na. So, implant, laser, obturate. Cute. Goodie bag. Laman. Gloves. Napaga na naman ako. Hintay-hintay na lang ako balik. While waiting, kuha na lang ako ng mga time-lapse sa labas. Para hindi lang mapuryo. Let's go. I'm with Amir. He's my former classmate in Lacy.
Hello guys. I'm good. How about you?
Where are you working now?
Manila.
I heard you went to UP.
Yeah. I did my master there.
What special?
Ortho.
The guest speaker was Dr. Margaret Chu, an endodontist specialist, faculty of UE College of Dentistry. Her lecture was lively and informative. She started with some refresher topics like the protocols in doing root canal treatment, then proceeds with her case studies. The cases were interesting and inspiring at the same time, keeping us hooked most of the time. She also offered some question and answers and answered most of our inquiries.
The mechanical, do you suggest to retrieve the broken part?
The initial check is the first thing if you break an instrument or separate the base. Mostly it is recommended, if you read the paper of Dr. Martin Cho, it is recommended for revascularization technique. It's a journey. So up to now, I'm still learning. Castellucci or Dr. Teraucci. And so this one is the source. I have a problem piece. Prefer ko dun sa mas magaling. So, palm tissue. No other chemical can do that. This one. You will see the four orifices. Okay, but it is not the only factor. Now,
Yummy.
if there's no evidence of tissue,
Nabudol na naman ako. Bale, gamit ko lang to pang root canal. Ano, sumabot din ng 4,000 mahigit. But it will go a long way. And here comes the exciting part. Hands-on demo. We took turns using the Aurum Blue files and the endorotary machine, while Dr. Chu guided us, trying to replicate the root canal treatment procedures on an acrylic block. The machine system was amazing, cutting treatment time significantly. The Aurum file performed remarkably as well. It's a perfect match.
now is still big. The intracanal pang-handle that's okay. Usually naman,
We closed the case by sealing it up using the gutta percha obturation system. It's like a mini glue gun actually. The device is mind-boggling. It makes the job way less messy and provided an airtight seal. The whole program itself was amazing. I learned a lot and got the chance to get in touch with my colleagues. It was very informative, interesting, and inspiring. I do hope to attend more seminars like this to learn some more and improve myself in the service of the Filipino. Again, thank you very much, ValueRX. Till next time. Auf Wiedersehen!